Hi.
Hi.
Where are you from?
Paris.
Bonsoir.
Bonsoir. What allez-vous?
Are you traveling here?
Yes, exactly. Yeah, I'm traveling.
Traveling.
Traveling, yeah.
What do you think of this? What is it in Poland?
It's very different compared to the rest of Europe. It's very beautiful. There's a lot of wonderful architecture to see, and the National Museum is very interesting as well.
Your hair and your appearance is beautiful.
Thank you so much. Thank you. That's so kind.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good
Have
day.
a nice day.
Thank you.
Hallo. I have a yeah. This was me yesterday. I went to drink.
Oh, well. Cheers in
Proost.
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 Proost. Proost. Where are you from?
From Ukraine.
How do you say hello in
Привет.
Midit?
Привет.
Buridit?
Привет.
Buridit?
Yes.
Thank you. Bon
And where are
appetit.
you from?
Korea.
And how to say in Korean?
안녕하세요.
One more time.
안녕하세요.
안녕. 하세요.
안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
Perfect. Traveling?
No, we live in Warsaw.
because
for
of the war.
Yeah.
Yeah. Couple.
Yeah.
I mean, wife?
No, we're
Okay.
like boyfriend and girlfriend.
Ah,
But
yeah.
we've been
Not
like
yet.
for 5 years together, so that's almost there.
Almost. Oh, you two look together.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bon appetit. Have a nice day.
Have a good one.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Oh, are you Polish?
Yeah.
Oh, just a moment.
What's that?
Cześć.
Cześć.
I was wrong.
No, I'm just kidding.
Gorgeous. Your passion and appearance is perfect. Thank you. Bon appetit. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Ukraine. Have you been to Korea? Korea. 한국, K-pop, K-drama. How do you say thank you in Ukraine?
Дякую.
Daku.
Дякую.
Jaku. Jaku. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.
Дякую.
Jaku. Cheers. Bon appetit.
Bon appétit.
Have a nice day. Hello. Are you Polish?
Yeah.
Cheers.
Cześć.
Have a nice day.
Have a nice day.
Bye bye. Hi. Bon appetit.
Thank you.
Have a nice day. Hey, what are you doing? What are you doing here? What are you doing here?
Hey brother.
Are you okay? You drunk? Hey, you drunk?
So you big juice.
Oh my god.
We are wasted as fuck, brother.
Oh. Okay, I'll be
Go
back.
sit, go join us.
I'm looking around more. Okay.
Go sit there. You want a beer?
I first film and after. Yeah.
okay.
Okay.
I will buy you.
Yeah, see you later.
Yeah?
Yeah, okay.
See
Don't worry.
you.
Best hè?
Thank
Hey,
you.
you come here.
Yeah, yeah. Right.
Hij zal 43 jaar hè?